Welcome everyone to another video tutorial. So today we'll be continuing from where we stopped, the edit button in particular. So let's create this edit button now. So the next thing we need to do is to go to our VS Code. So let's arrange our code properly. Make sure your code is properly arranged. So we're going to create an edit page whereby this particular link will go to. So before we create that, let's go to our controller, category controller, which is here. Click on your category controller. So we're going to go to the edit method now, which is here. You can see the importance of using the resource to create a controller. It's going to help to create each method, like the edit method, the index method, the update method, the show method, the create method, and mention them. So I'm going to do that. Come here and write our query. So let's write our query now. Let's say edit data, let me say edit category equal to category. Category is a model. I hope you've not forgotten. Category is a database model. So we want to edit every data from the word database. So category, you put your double column, find the data by ID. We're going to find the data by this ID here. Copy this ID here. I'm looking for data for this particular ID. Edit. Remember when I showed you the route list? This route list, edit has what? An ID called edits. This is an ID called edits. So this ID called edit is what I will use to edit my page. So in that case, what I will now do is to use the ID here, which is already here. This ID is this ID. So category, find the data via the ID of this category. So I'm looking for the data. How to edit by this ID from this category database. So after doing that, I'll put my semicolon here and come here. Then return view. I want to return the view. So return view. So we're going to create this particular page that I want to return. So I'm going to say return edit page. Let me just say edit. Return edit.blade.php. Put comma. Then I have to pass this data. I have to pass data to this edit page. We've done that before by using what is called the comparts. So I'll use the comparts. Open brackets. Put my quotation mark. Then copy this. Please don't copy the dollar string. We don't need that. We only copy the other text and paste it here. So put your semicolon. That is what I need to do. But take note of all these things I have done. Please take note of that. I want to get the data from this category via the ID, and the ID is declared here in this method called edit. I store it in the data in the variable called edit category. So for me to use this edit category in the edit.blade.php, I have to pass it. So I'm passing the variable to this page by using the compat. Compat is a keyword in Laravel. So let's go and create this edit.blade.php. So I'm going to create it and let me close all this. I'm not need it for now. So let me close. So I'll go to the normal resources, go to resources, view. I want to create it under the view. So I'll right click on the views. Right click it, create a new file and name it edits. Edit.blade.php and press enter. So I create the edit.blade.php. So I want the form. I want a form that will look like a crate, like this crate. So I click on this crate. I want a form like that, whereby I will put the edit thing. Once I click on edit, it give me the person name here. That's what I want to do. So I'm going to copy everything from the crates, from the crate controller. So let me go back to my VS Code. So locate your crates.blade.php, which is this. Click it. Copy everything from here. Ctrl A and Ctrl C. So go back to your edit.blade.php and paste it here. So this is what I want. So what I want now is what I have to change some stuff. So let me change some stuff. Like here, I'm going to come here and change this to edit category. The H1 should be what? Edit category. So that's what I'm going to change there, edit category. So the next thing I want to do right now is to use value. So I only need the name, which is this name. So I'll come here and put what is called value. So sorry, small letter. I'll put value equal to, now the value will be what? Equal to our normal variable name which we got from the controller. Your value will be what? Equal to this, the value for our edits. So I hope you understand what I'm talking about. The value you're going to get there will be that. So let me do that for you so that you get to see what I am doing actually. So I will come here and copy this. Then I'll go to my edit.blade.php. This is the value here. So I'll put my curly brace, double curly brace, and I'll do this. So I want to get the name. Get the name. This name is what? From the database. This name is from the database. I want to get the name from the database. Let me show you our database, which is categories database and table. So this is our table here, categories table. So I want to get only the name. I want to edit only the name. This name here. That is what I am putting here. Category forward hyphen greater than name. So I want to get the name as the value. So let us and I'll change this from this save to what? Edit. Change this to edits. So I'll come here to the form. Let's go for our form route. I'm going to change this route to what? To update route, but I'm not creating the updates yet. Once I create the update, I will change it to updates. So let's save this. Save all. Then go to your browser. Refresh the browser. Click on this edit. So you can see game. I go back again, view data, click on books. Let's click on this book. Click on the book. You can see books as my category. So go back to your view data, click on trousers. You can see trousers. So our edit button is working. You can see how life is easy with Laravel. Life is so much easier with Laravel. So in our next class, we're going to do what is called the update. So that whereby I click on this edit or update, then this thing should work automatically be updated in my database. So let's stop here for today. I'll see you guys in our next class.